Morning, everyone. It's a minute or two before 9 a.m., and this is your pre-opening comment. It's video number 462, and remind you to please hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate it. Okay, Asia is up. Europe is mixed. Our markets are somewhat stronger. Actually, some of them are much stronger. And today, being Columbus Day, is a partial holiday because the federal government is closed and so are the bond markets. Oil is down a little after the hurricane has moved through the Gulf and onto land. And nat gas is up in a major way. In my comment last night, I was talking about the fact that there's a tough area around $2.92. And this morning, we actually, or last night, we actually blasted up, went right through it. And right now we're 291. I need to show you the weekly for you to see what it is. Well, maybe not. We'll go back to the daily and just expand it a little. It's the same top here. Let's go back another year or two. 2 years. Okay, so this makes it clear. We broke to the downside here in that same area. We rallied back after a year, same area. We were there about 10 days ago, same area. And when you look at it this way, in this perspective, you can see that we're right back up to that area. And unfortunately, we're not in it. But if we stay up here or come back in a little and close this gap, I think we really take off in the nat gas. Okay, in the market, MALLINKROT, MNK, distributor of opioids, has filed for bankruptcy. The stock, which had an all-time high of 133, is currently trading at 69 cents. So, they have big problems. They have big financial responsibilities. And unfortunately, the company's basically out of business. AstraZeneca got a $486 billion deal with the U.S. government for COVID treatments. The EU, even though we are up really big in the NASDAQ today, twice what the Dow is up on half the raw price, EU is talking about taking some shots at a bunch of our tech companies and trying to regulate them. Twitter got an upgrade at Deutsche Bank, and the stock is up about 5%. That's up about $2.50. DraftKings was also raised to outperform at Credit Suisse, and it's trading at 50 and change, up $1.38, but that is still well below the $52 price on the deal that they did last week, issuing more shares. But as I said, the NASDAQ is up much more than the Dow or the S&P. The S&P is up about 30. The Dow is up 53, but has $48 worth of fair value on the negative side. So that puts it up about 115. And the NASDAQ is up double that. NASDAQ is up about 212. LIZI, which is a Chinese company, and they are doing pretty much a major rollout for technology companies, starting with 5G and other issues, and that stock is $432, up $1.85, or up 75%. And ServiceNow, NOW, got a contract from both the NBA and the WNBA. The stock is 517.90, up $9.29 or 2%. And one big loser this morning, ATXI, which is Avenue Therapeutics. Their stock is 5.25, down 540, or over 50%. I hate when that happens. Looks like a split, but it isn't. In any event, the FDA said that they cannot approve the Avenue Therapeutics IV tramadol, which is a painkiller. The problem is that it's an opioid, and the long-term effects of an opioid are really problematic. Just ask people who own MALLINKROT. But the fact is that it was turned down, and now the company said they're going to meet or try and meet with the FDA as soon as possible to go over what it is that they want to do to enhance the safety side of tramadol. Okay, so here, the chart on the screen, the US dollar index back here at support. If we break, we're undoubtedly going below, well below 92, but we're trading 93.10, which is up about 4.5 cents. Excuse me, and we'll see how this reacts. I'm kind of hoping that it reacts to the upside, since we are short the silver, and have a fairly major loss there. I mean, it's not a big loss in terms of dollars and cents, but our 50-cent options are trading below 20 cents. This is the silver, and unless we start to come down, I'm going to have to cover that. All right, everyone, have a good day. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and I'll be back later.